Okay, today chapter 2 plants we have to discuss. Here try to understand. First term is photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? The process by which green plants make their food is called photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Now next term is stomata. Stomata are the tiny pores present on the leaf surface. Hole. You will observe there is a hole in the leaf. This is nothing, this is stomata. Chlorophyll, you know, chlorophyll green pigment, it is a green pigment which is essential for completing the process in the is the green colored pigment present in the green leaves of plants. Okay. Now insectivorous plants. Here try to understand. Here you are observing pitcher plant, Venus dryup. In this case, you will observe that some insects get trapped. How this pitcher plant trapped? Whenever any insect sit on this plant has some adhesive things, and here this insect will stick in this plant and they cannot fly. After some time they will die and this thing will turn into food of this pitcher plant. Okay. Now reproduction in plants. Reproduction. What is reproduction? The process by which a living thing produces more of its own kind is called reproduction. You know this thing. Plants also reproduce their own kind. They do so mainly in two ways. Reproduction through seeds. You know this thing. Reproduction through different parts of plant like underground stem, stem cutting, root and leaf. Now try to understand in detail. Reproduction through seeds. Now a structure of the seed. Try to understand. Here micropyle, entire seed, seed coat, cotyledon, seed split open, seed coat. Now micropyle. There is a hole. This is known as the micropyle. Seed coat. What is seed coat? The seed is covered by an outer layer called the seed coat. Inside the seed coat there are seed leaves also called cotyledons. Baby plant. Inside the seed leaves there is a baby plant. Okay. Growth of the plant. You know this thing. The baby plant starts growing into a new plant when it gets appropriate amount of air and water and the temperature. Try to understand. These three things are essential for the survival of plant. Here next thing, seed germination. We know that a plant usually grows from a seed. The process by which a seed grows and develops into a seedling, that is young plant, is called seed germination. Try to understand. What is this seed germination? The process by which a seed grows and develops into a seedling, that is young plant, is called seed germination. Now I have given to draw several times a stage of germination in a bean seed. Here bean seed we are observing. Here you are seeing this thing and developing roots. After developing, you first leaf young plant. Okay. Now conditions. Three conditions: air, water and warmth. You may say warmth is also temperature. We thus conclude that appropriate amount of water and air and correct warmth are necessary for germination of seeds. A healthy birch tree can produce up to 1 million seeds a year. Reproduction by different parts of the plant. From the underground stem, by stem cutting, from roots or from leaves of a plant. This type of reproduction in which a new plant arises from some part of a plant without the involvement of seed. There is no necessity of seed. It is called vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction through underground stem. In case of potato, in plants like banana, potato, a new plant grows from the underground stem. In these plants, a part of the stem present underground grows and develops roots and shoots to make new plants. Reproduction by stem cutting, rose. In case of rose cutting is planted new plant. Reproduction through root, Dihlia and asparagus. Reproduction through leaf, Bryophyllum is the example of reproduction through leaf. Here, seed dispersal. Try to understand about seed dispersal. Dispersing, scattering. Here, try to understand about seed dispersal. We know that flowers produce fruit and most fruits bear seeds. However, all seeds of a given plant do not germinate near their mother plants. This is because they will then have to struggle to get sufficient air, water, sunlight and nutrients, and many of them would die. Nature therefore enables the seeds to move over to other places. It does so through various agents such as air, water, animals, birds, insects and human beings. They all help in the transfer of seed to different places. Moving of seed from one place to another place is known as seed dispersal. The process of transfer of seeds to different places is called seed dispersal. Now, different ways of seed dispersal. Human-made ways. By humans select seeds of useful plants and sows them in the soil to get new plants. Natural ways. By nature. How nature disperses seed? Dispersal by wind. Auk, thistle and dandelion get dispersed through auk, thistle and dandelion get dispersed through wind. Dispersal by water. Plants which are near water bodies, sea, river, lake, disperse through seeds through water. This is simple thing. Dispersal by birds, insects and rodents. Sparrows, rats, ants, squirrel, etc. carry fruits and grains to their burrows, nests and their other places. They drop some grains or seeds on their way. These may grow into plants in the new environment. Dispersal by human and animals. This thing. Dispersal through cracking and bursting. Dispersal of seed of fruits by humans and animals. Here you are seeing monkeys eating something. And seed, they will not eat seed and they will left this seed and this seed will fall into the ground and where their seed will germinate. Okay. Dispersal of seed by cracking and bursting. Here you are seeing this thing. Lady finger, pea, bean is balsam get dispersed by this method. Okay. The well-known Indian scientist Professor J.C. Bose proved through his experiment that plants have life. He invented an instrument called the cascograph, which could be used to measure the rate of growth of a plant. Okay, try to understand. I have told you in assembly a story which is related to J.C. Bose, full name Jagdish Chandra Bose. He was an Indian scientist. Try to understand a story. Once upon a time he was playing in the orchard where he was playing football. Unfortunately that football went on the roof of the house and J.C. Bose was not able to pick them, so he went near the mother and told that about this incident. Then mother told this is evening time and so don't disturb plant and don't bring your football. And after that what things happen? he invented an instrument, that is the name of that instrument is cascograph. Okay, where there through this instrument you can recognize that plants are also living thing. Okay, thank you. Now question answer. Question answer time. Okay, try to pause video and you are able to write any question. Okay, I am providing chapter 1 question answer also. Here plants class 5 PBS chapter 2. For seed germination, 3 conditions are essential: air, water and warmth. If any one condition missing, seeds will not germinate. Okay, ice is not a condition of seed germination, so when seeds are kept in an ice box or refrigerator. Seed will not germinate. Okay, here also answer chapter 2. Pause the video and you are able to write any question answer. Okay, thank you.